Welcome back to another week of Tech Tips for Mobile Initiative. We've all been there. Your kids have asked to play on your phone, and somehow they always manage to purchase something without you knowing. We have a way to keep them only on the one app that they need to use, which keeps them out of your personal information and away from unwanted sites. This tip is known as screen pinning.
To enable screen pinning, open Settings, go to the Security menu, enable screen pinning, so scroll down until you see screen pinning, turn it on, and then open Overview by tapping the square navigation button below the phone screen. On the window for the most recently opened app, you should see a pin icon. It looks like a little thumbtack. In the lower right-hand corner, tap the pin button to pin the app to the screen. So you'll see that you will not be able to go home or any other place except for that one screen you were working on. To unpin the screen, press and hold the back button below the screen. It looks like a little triangle. And then it will say screen is unpinned, and you're able to go back and do whatever you would like.
Now you know how to keep your phone safe in the event that someone else needs to use it. Thanks for tuning in, and tune in next week for more tech tips for Mobile Initiative.